Reports coming in of another tragic incident, fire engulfs Children's Hospital in the national capital. 7 infants died in the blaze. We have Ankit joining us with more details. Ankit, yesterday it was a fire incident in a gaming zone in Rajkot. Today we're given to understand fire engulfed Children's Hospital in the national capital. There are visuals also coming in from late last night. 7 infants unfortunately have lost their lives.
Most definitely, and there are also other babies who are fighting for their lives in the hospital. What we can tell you, Swati, is that a statement has been released on this fire. I'm going to read it out. It is reported that a fire in a baby care newborn hospital at ground plus first floor, resulting in 12 newborn babies being removed to East Delhi Advanced Care Hospital by ambulance PCR, where Dr. Ramji Bharadwaj declared 6 newborn babies brought dead, 1 newborn baby serious, 5 newborn babies under treatment. Hospital area of about 120 square yards. The newborn baby records have not been traced. Correct address is also been given over there. They say also that the fire was in the adjacent boutique as well. It was also at the bank that was next door and in the false ceiling. There was a vehicle also that was caught in the fire. Its registration number is given. Also in the boutique and the basement of the adjacent building, the optical shop at the ground floor was also engulfed. Domestic articles at the first and second floor were engulfed. The fire was also reaching the park next door. It was also in an ambulance bearing registration number so-and-so given. And they've shared other details. So these are preliminary details. What they have not yet mentioned is the fact that in the floor below this, there was apparently an oxygen tank go down that may have been being run without requisite permission, and that may have also contributed. But for the moment on this ghastly, horrific tragedy, what we can tell you is 7 babies are reported to have died.
Right, 7 of 12 infants have succumbed to their injuries, and like you were saying, others are fighting for their life. Sabyasachi is joining us with more details. Sabyasachi, the reason behind it, are the officials talking about it?
Well, see, as of now, the officials have not ascertained any particular reason behind the fire. But what escalated the fire is the oxygen cylinders which were present in the ground floor out here. Now on your screen you can see several of the oxygen cylinders which are lying out here. Now one of this oxygen cylinder caught fire. That resulted into a blast, and after which few of the oxygen cylinders went out around from this particular area to 100 meters around. Now the entire stretch of the area, be it the bank or nearby areas, has been affected by the blast. 7 of the children have lost their life. 5 are still admitted in the hospital, are now critical. This is the condition of the vehicle which was kept right outside the newborn baby care center. Now, the parents also, some of the parents reached out here. They say that they are not aware of this particular incident. Neither the authority, neither the police have told them that this incident had taken place last night. They are asking where our children are right now. None of the people from the care center have bothered to tell the parents about this incident. Now the entire area is completely shocked by this incident. Yesterday, when at around 11:32, when the call was made to the fire brigade team, before that, when the blast had taken place, around 50 to 100 people of the local people had gathered out here. They only had carried out the rescue operation. They rescued all the 12 babies from the newborn baby care center here, and they have taken them to the nearby hospital. Now the intensity of the blast has been massive, and that is the reason why you can see the nearby building also, the top floor also have been affected by the blast. Now it is extremely unfortunate. The matter is under investigation, but the reason behind the fire is still not ascertained. The fire brigade team says that they are conducting the investigation, and soon they would reveal the details. But what escalated the fire is the oxygen cylinders, the large amount of oxygen cylinders which were gathered out here. Now this raises a lot of question, and this certainly is a matter of investigation, that why so much oxygen cylinders were kept out here.